What if you spent 1 week in the Ottoman Empire?
Year 1520, Constantinople.
The harbor is alive. Trade flows through this city like blood.
For a moment, your metal bottle feels advanced. Then you look up and realize this is the center of the world. Day 2, the Janissaries March.
Perfect formation, perfect silence.
And suddenly, your modern confidence shrinks.
Day 3, you enter the Grand Bazaar. Silk from the east, gold stacked high, spices worth fortunes. Day 4, Topkapi Palace.
In the bathhouse, marble and ritual blend into daily life.
Day 6, a map stretches across continents. When this empire controlled Eastern trade, the world panicked. Day 7, twilight over the Bosporus. 6 hours later, you walk out overwhelmed. This place is not decorative, it is precise.
Power here is organized, controlled.
Day 5, coffee, dark, bitter, strong. Some empires make history, others force the world to rewrite it.